This time I am going to start the 10th class chapter, which is nothing but electricity. First of all, what is electricity? We will discuss. We can simply say that the flow of charges is called as nothing but electricity. Or in other words, we can say that the flow of electrons. It means, when do we say the flow of charges, when do we say the flow of electrons? We will discuss later. Before going to go for it, what are the flow of charges? Actually, how many types of charges are there? We have generally in our universe two types of charges. What are they? One is a positive charge, another one is a negative charge. Positive charge is usually produced by the protons, negative charge is produced by the electrons. You know this one. So these charges, you know that opposite charges attract each other and same charges repel each other also. Basing on these charges, actually the entire concept will revolve. Now we will see about that one. Suppose these charges are at rest. If you produce the charges, if charges are at rest, it is called as static electricity. If charges are in motion, it is called as current electricity. In simple words, electricity or current also. So in this chapter, we used to learn about nothing but electricity means current electricity. Because the charges are in motion only, we will discuss in this chapter. So if the charges are in motion, what is going to be happen? So how the charges will comes into the motion? You know that we discussed earlier the flow of charges. So charges means it can be positive or negative. So the positive charges or negative charges can move only in nothing but fluids. Fluids means, simple thing is, liquids and gases. So but when it comes to the electrons, flow of electrons, you want to say means only negative charges move. When it comes to which one means solids. Solids means they are having free electrons means. It means what I want to say is, you can say the definition for electricity for fluids means flow of charges. It can be a positive charge or negative charge can move in the fluids because they can flow from one place to another place, just like liquids or gases. But when it comes to the solids means, so we can say that flow of electrons because they are having only negative charge particles to move. They are having free electrons means in the solids they can move the electricity. Now let's discuss about the current electricity concept. Electricity is denoted with a letter I. Current electricity is denoted, current is denoted with the letter I. Let's discuss that. How to measure this current? Suppose we can say that current, in other words, I equal to Q by T. What is the meaning of this one? Q means here charge and T means here time. One simple thing is, if you learn the definition, you may forget. If you learn the expression, you will easily write the definition. So by this, you can come to know that actually always you remember that I am telling a technique. The denominator is always a unit term and numerator is always an amount term, and the answer is nothing but the left side term. Now I will tell you that the amount of charge flows in unit time is called as current. What is current? The amount of time, the amount of charge flows in unit time is called as nothing but a current. Let's see that. What is current? The amount of charge the amount of charge flows in unit time is called as current. Therefore I equal to Q by T. Then what is the unit for the charge? The unit, SI unit of charge is nothing but SI unit of charge. Charge means Q is equal to coulombs. So what is the SI unit of time? SI unit of time equal to T equal to seconds, you know that. Now therefore I equal to Q by T means this is coulomb is denoted with C, coulomb per second. So therefore I means current. Current is equal to nothing but SI unit of current. Current is equal to amperes. What is this meaning is 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 second. It means what is the meaning of this one is 1 coulomb of charge passes in 1 second. Then the amount of current produced is 1 ampere. What is this? 1 coulomb of charge passes in 1 second. Then the amount of current produced is how much? 1 ampere. This is nothing but the relation between the amperes and coulombs and seconds. Let's discuss that. What is that means? A coulomb, we said it is a charge. So let's discuss few more